Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can manually and automatically add beats to your audio in CapCut PC. So I'm just going to add in this audio from music here. Then to add it, you're just going to press this flag button here, or you can also press Ctrl J on your keyboard. And for instance, this beat is too close with the previous one, you can just go over it and press remove beats or press Ctrl J on your keyboard again. If you want to remove everything, select this one instead. And if you want to automatically add beats, again select the audio, then press this one and either select beat 1 or beats 2. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!